welcome back to our shop. We have been, what is it, day 4? We've been stuck here.
Yeah.
First off, I hope all of you are doing well and taking care of yourselves, staying safe out there because it's getting a little crazy.
So we've been waiting to film this video for a long time, and we're extremely excited to finally be doing it. And we are so excited to be working with Squarespace today to bring you this video. So Squarespace is a premium online presence building platform that you definitely want to learn about. We'll tell you more about it later in this video. But oh gosh, I cannot wait. We got a huge surprise for you guys. Let's get to it.
Let's go.
Okay, babe.
Okay, you stay here and I'll bring it up.
Okay, well, the shop's not very big. It's literally right there. Just get it. Bring it over here.
I gotta hide the label.
Is there branding on it? All right. Box 1. Box 2.
Hopefully I'm handling these okay.
Box 3. Do not drop. Fragile. Handle with care, Faith. But you're gonna help me. But you're gonna help me install all this, right?
Well, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so there's no hiding it. You guys read the title. Clearly, this is an exhaust. It's been a long time coming because the Ferrari has definitely needed an exhaust upgrade for quite a while.
Yeah, so the exhaust it has on it is aftermarket, and it does sound better than stock, but we like it to be like super loud and noticed and flashy. So we kind of went all out.
If you guys have ever heard the Cayman or the SRT, you should know by now that we like our cars really loud.
So we have the full FABSPEED exhaust for this thing. Check this out. So all these boxes right here.
And I cannot thank FABSPEED enough because they've been an absolute dream to work with. They've been so accommodating. Gary and Philip specifically, you guys have been such a great help on trying to get this exhaust. And I literally am so ready to open it. Can we do that already?
Let's do it.
Tell me, does this not look like Christmas morning dew?
This is pretty awesome, Christmas. Okay, so are you gonna unbox the first box?
Yeah. Ooh.
Careful, don't cut yourself.
I don't like these.
Don't run with that. All right, which box first, you guys? I say we go with this one first.
Are you sure?
That one's like the heaviest, and it made the most noise when you brought it over.
It did.
Okay.
Man, they've got quality tape. How do I put this away? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm not ready.
You're not ready. Are you guys ready? I think you're ready.
We all know what an exhaust looks like, but it's...
I don't know what's in this box though.
But it's an exhaust for the Ferrari and I've wanted one for so long.
It's very expensive exhaust. All right.
Sealed air.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, those look so good.
Whatever those are, what are they?
These are the valves. So you got valves? Yeah, these are the valves.
Right, that's the right valve.
That's the right valve.
Oh my gosh.
You gonna pull it out? Okay.
Yes.
Jeez.
Look at that.
Oh.
That's so cool.
Nice.
I love it.
It matches the mirror.
It literally does.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. No, really, hold this bad boy. It's super heavy. Do arm crunches with it?
Our gym is shut down. How else am I supposed to get my pump on? Hey guys, I'm gonna set this down right.
Hey, be careful, be careful. Careful.
Okay, next piece. I think I saw an X pipe in there. Oh, dang.
X marks the spot. So cool. This is also really squats.
So yeah, we'll just set all the parts over here for now, and then we'll organize them, make them look pretty in a minute. We got one more part in here. I'm pretty sure it's the other valve, the left valve, yeah?
Oh, there's a few things in here.
Oh, we got some sneaky hardware right here.
That's actually pretty genius.
Yeah.
The way they package this.
We got hardware here. I like the color of it, it's copper. If you guys don't know, I like copper. These are a brushed copper rim on my multi-piece wheels on the Cayman. So those are cool. Here you go.
We've got these guys.
Oh, gaskets.
Gaskets?
Yeah, those are good.
Cool, well, all right.
No, we can't lose those. We can't.
Don't, no. Leave it on there.
Why?
Because I say so.
Fine. Happy wife, happy life.
Oh, we're just gonna lay the parts out and let them sit there
Yes.
Let Sal guy rummage through them.
Yes.
Oh man, your Boy Scouts really came in handy.
Oh geez.
What is?
Oh, we got some goodies.
We got merch.
Yeah.
We got FABSPEED merch.
Heck yeah.
FABSPEED hooking it up.
Right. First shirt. That's a Faith size shirt right there.
Hey.
All right. My shirt. Oh.
Ooh. Turn around. Turn it around. Ooh.
All right, let's get on to this thing.
Nice. Red's your color. What else we got?
We got some bubble wrap. Oh, we got some tips. We got some tips, you guys.
Oh, those are the most exciting part.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go compare those to the back ones.
Yeah.
Oh man, that is gonna look so good, especially when we completely murder out the car.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to be like the whole car to be all black again.
Yeah,
oh,
guys,
it's soon to come. Soon to come.
The purple wrap, it's got an expiration date.
Yeah. Shing, sparkle, sparkle.
No sparkles.
Well, do you remember the SpongeBob? We had the golden spatula. Shing, sparkle,
Yeah,
sparkle.
but these are matte, right?
Shing, dull, dull.
There you go. That's well, this is a super nice surprise. Can't wait to slap one of those FABSPEED stickers on the Ferrari.
Oh yeah, I gotta add a sticker to my fridge.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, guys, I love stickers. I have a sticker collection since I was a little kid, and I love stickers. So this is our little shop fridge.
Hold on. So Clayton had a stash of stickers, and I was like, oh, it'd be really cool to put one of those on the fridge. And so I put one of his stickers on the fridge, and then he yelled at me because now I can't preserve that sticker anymore.
Guys, if you have a sticker collection for like a long time, you understand. Once you peel and stick it on something, it's gone. So when I have my sticker collection, you can't just like stick it on whatever you want. They'll get me. They'll get me. Okay, Faith? Yeah, so this is where we collect just various stickers from our various car events and stuff like that. So we'll put that one right here.
Nice. Ooh. Ooh, I like it.
Nice.
I like it.
Whoa.
Woo. I want to open both of these.
Well, I'd say you do the flat one.
Why?
I don't know. Okay, do the big one.
Actually, I'm very curious as to what this is.
Here.
Let's do this one. You don't get to see it.
Okay. What is it?
Get out of here.
What is
Let
it?
me take it out first.
What is it?
Dude.
Okay, well, I'm intrigued now. What is it?
FABSPEED. Are you serious?
What? Whoa! No way! What the?
That is literally the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Oh, our mountain!
Yeah.
Whoa!
In SummitLife? This totally trumps our YouTube play button thing.
Yeah, whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Man, that's sick.
I'm so stoked. I get a little teary-eyed.
Yeah, oh my gosh. People like us.
People like us. Gonna go to sleep with this tonight. I gotta say, it feels kind of nice.
Yeah, I'm a little taken back.
That a whole company took the time to make a specialty gift for us.
Yeah.
Like,
How cool. Okay, so this is carbon fiber with like aluminum, I assume, like CNC'd aluminum.
and it clearly took a while to make. Like, this is very intricate.
This is sweet.
That is awesome. FABSPEED, you have outdone yourself. All right, on to the next. Oh no! What is that? What is it? What is it? Oh no!
Get it, Sal. Get it. Get it. Oh, get it. Defeat it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Big guy, open that big
Grab
box.
your phone. Okay, this one, it's got some metal in it.
You think so? Handle side. Boy Scouts, right?
Yeah, I don't know if you guys know this. I used to be in the Boy Scouts. I'm an Eagle Scout.
Oh my.
You guys ready?
Yes. right, we have, ooh.
That's the team.
That's a dapper looking team there. Okay.
Yeah, all right. All right. Oh, okay.
Lots of styrofoam. This must be super important.
Is this the... Ooh, yeah, the high flow cats.
Hey, Mark Page. I like your signature.
Handcrafted by Mark Page.
Mark Page.
Dude, that's pretty sick. So these are high flow catalytic converters. So we obviously want to run cats. That way we can pass emissions. We don't have emissions here, but we want to make sure we get to the environment. But these are high flow. They give us extra flow, more power. These are awesome.
More power, you say?
More power. Yeah, this is gonna be like a significant. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Sal, are you checking out our plaque? It's a pretty good looking plaque, isn't it? He was like, man, this all for me?
Oh man, it's coming together.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff.
All right, this one's mine.
Oh, you got this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. All right, I'm actually sad that this is the last box. All right, we got another one. Quality Assurance by Jason A. Thank you very much. Oh.
Whoa, that was pretty sweet.
Ooh.
I like that. I like you open it up and it, yeah. It's like something Batman would have.
Genuine
like a briefcase.
Ferrari.
Ooh.
This is a genuine Ferrari.
Those
Whatever
are
those
header
are.
gaskets.
Those are, okay, more
Because the
gaskets.
last, most essential thing that the part that we actually need, the headers. All right, let's go.
Oh, is that what these are?
Yeah, we need the headers. Yeah.
Yes, because that ticking noise, like I mentioned in our past video.
Yep, we have an exhaust leak in
have
our
an-
headers,
Yes.
which is not good. Whoa.
There's a lot going on in here. Hey, I know what this is. You have it on your Porsche.
Yeah, it's an O2 sensor spacer.
That's what it is. I was just reading what it said.
It's a mini cat.
Oh, really?
So if you look inside, you'll see the catalytic.
Oh my
converter
gosh, that's so cool. I always like these parts because they're all squiggly.
part. They're like noodles.
Yeah, wow, this is really heavy.
Other way.
Oh my.
Sal, what is mom doing?
That is not going on.
Sexy sex man saxogram.
It's not going on the video.
These are real nice.
They really took care of these.
These
like,
are well nice.
Look
These
at
are
this.
well nice. Oh, look.
They had a comfy trip over here. This is nice. I don't know about you guys, but this looks a lot like Christmas aftermath. Just wrapping paper, presents sprawled all over the floor.
That'd be pretty awesome. Next Christmas, we should buy each other car parts. How fun would that be? A bunch of wheels and tires and slaying around.
Putting those under the tree.
Yeah.
I remember when I first met Clayton and we had a discussion about getting married. And I was like, honestly, I wouldn't be mad if you proposed to me with a car.
That's true. You did say that. You did. I probably messed up there, didn't I? I can always re-propose, I guess. Will you remarry me, Faith?
Where's the car?
Will you remarry me, Faith?
That's already mine. You gotta get something new.
Fine.
I already mentioned, you know what I want next.
I already know. Oh my gosh. We just gotta wait. It's all about timing, you guys. Gotta have the right timing for everything.
Clay, we gotta talk business. Get in the Ferrari. I will never get tired of that smell.
Dude, it smells so good in here. If you guys have never sat in a Ferrari, definitely try to go sit in one.
Try to go sit in one.
No, of course. Like, try to go to the dealership, ask to sit in one.
Okay.
Man, they smell so good.
You do. That Italian leather.
Yeah.
Perfecto.
Perfecto. Babada-boopy. Okay, guys, let's talk Squarespace for a minute. Now, Squarespace is like a one-stop shop to create your online presence and your persona or your business online. Now, from a business standpoint, a lot of you reach out to us for business advice. My business advice is spend time on your business, not building a website. So use Squarespace and use their customizable templates. They're already pre-made for you. Just select the theme that best suits yourself or your business and just run with it.
It's Honestly, Squarespace does all of the work for you. You just got to pick all of the customizable parts that you like and make it your own. So one thing I really like about Squarespace is the analytics that they offer. When you build a website with Squarespace, you are able to delve into all of the in-depth details of where your clients are coming from, how they find your website, how many people look at your website per day. And I think that's really important. That helps you understand your business a lot more.
Remember, time is money. Squarespace takes care of tracking everything for you, so you just quickly glance at it, figure out what you need to do better, and then implement it. Okay, you guys, head over to squarespace.com to start a free trial. That's right, you heard me, free.
And then when you're ready to launch your website, head over to squarespace.com/SummitLife and you'll get 10% off your website or domain.
Link is in the description below. Go check it out. Go check it out right now. Go check it out right now.
Also, you guys, we hooked you up once again. There is a code in our description below for FABSPEED.
If you guys need an exhaust or a website, now's no better time.
Man, we guys are hooking you up today.
Yeah.
I hope you guys are ready because you are going to watch us in the next video struggle to install this. But
well, first things first, we have to struggle to uninstall all the other things.
Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm going to attempt to put all of this back in the boxes. Look at that.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
That one, not so much. Good.
There is a lot of clips that are not going to be included in this video. That's for sure.
Don't say that. You never know.
I think this is the corniest video we've ever filmed.
Probably.
So while Faith tries to package up all of our exhaust backup so it doesn't get damaged, thank you guys so much for watching yet another one of our videos. It means so much to us. Oh.
Click subscribe and like this video.
We cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Bye.